Hello, I'd like a table for two, please.
Hello, happy nato. Mini iding sa buhay kat.
Hello. I'd like a table for two, please.
A bottle of red wine, please.
Happy nato. Why san tol kat.
A bottle of red wine, please.
May I see the menu, please?
Happy nato na van zong na sa intiw ken.
May I see the menu, please?
I'll meet you at the restaurant at 8 o'clock.
Nagyadin ansay nangong muning.
I'll meet you at the restaurant at 8 o'clock.
2 beers, please.
Piani happy nato.
2 beers, please.
I'd like the lunch special, please.
Ken happy nato. Lunch special maning.
I'd like the lunch special, please.
A bottle of sparkling water, please.
Happy nato sparkling water tol kat.
A bottle of sparkling water, please.
I am a vegetarian.
Ken ante singabik ne.
I'm a vegetarian.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Kay mi peto kite king.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Do you have a high chair for our baby?
Kana waring tu na sangkat na neyam.
Do you have a high chair for our baby?
May I see the wine list, please?
Naway sa inte u happy nato ka ente dia.
May I see the wine list, please?
What do you recommend?
Bang nilayong day sak na.
What do you recommend?
May I have the check, please?
Check ka nga dia happy nato.
May I have the check, please?
Would you warm up this baby food, please?
I naungi kan happy nato na lumsak dia.
Would you warm up this baby food, please?
Do you take credit cards?
Karik ka na sango yam.
Do you take credit cards?
May I have some bread, please?
Happy nato pomo pokat ka nga dia.
May I have some bread, please?
Is tip included?
Tip apasa mo.
Is tip included?
Thank you. That was very good.
Lungdam sa limang.
Thank you. That was very good.